To use App Lock on Xiaomi 17T Pro, you have to start by opening Settings. Right now, go for Apps, open them. Now, go to the App Lock feature. If you are using this for the first time, you will have to select if you want to use a privacy password or your screen lock. And then if you select one of the following options, you will have to confirm with inputting your password. And then you will get a list with all recommended applications to lock. You can unselect them, and here you can find all available things. So if you want to lock something like, for example, the sound recorder, you can easily do this. And by clicking here on this icon, what you can do, you can find other things, like you can change the unlock method by using face unlock, fingerprint, you can change this password type, you can hide notification content, you can also unlock all apps at once, and the lock settings when the device is locked, or after exiting app, and this is the feature that I can recommend you.